This tutorial will teach you how to multiply fractions. When you're multiplying fractions to fractions, first thing you want to do is you want to take a look and see if each fraction can be simplified even further. So if we take a look at 15 over 8, is there a number that goes into both 15 and 8, a common factor? And no. So we don't worry about that one. And we check out 12 over 25. Is there a number that goes into both 12 and 25? And the answer to that is no. So the next thing we look at is there a number that goes into both 8 and 12? We kind of look crossways. All right? And we can see, yeah, there's a common number that goes into both 8 and 12. It's 4. So if I divide the 12 by 4 and 8 by 4, then I'm going to get a smaller factor to work with. Same thing, I ask myself, is there a number that is common to both 15 and 25? And I say, oh yeah, there is. And that number happens to be 5. So if I divide the top over here by 5 and 25 by 5, then I can rewrite this fraction. 15 divided by 5 is the same as saying 3, and then 8 divided by 4 is 2. So 3 over 2 times 12 over 25 now becomes 3 over 5. And when I multiply those numbers out in multiplying fractions now, I just multiply the numerator by the numerator and the denominator by the denominator. And my answer becomes 9 over 10. And because I simplified over here, then my answer here is in simplest form. And that's how you multiply fractions.